Today I sell my designer bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi guys, welcome back around here. I'm very happy to show you my new bags and accessories that I'm gonna sell to you. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old and I live in Spain, but I'm French. Sorry in advance for my French accent. Sometimes I have wrong words or I pronounce very not that well actually, but I'm sorry in advance. Anyway, I created my own company a few months ago that is called BAM Luxury Store. I'm gonna link here the website and you're gonna find the link in description below the video as well. Every items that you see here will be linked in description, of course, on the website. If you are interested in any other item we ship worldwide, you can directly buy on the website or contact me and I will make the invoice and check for you the delivery price. We offer mondial relay delivery in Europe. If you have it in your country, it's free. And yeah, don't hesitate to comment this video, to subscribe to this channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with this amazing Louis Vuitton Monogram long wallet. This is a very nice one. This is a vintage. The condition is good, I would say. This is not the best condition ever, but it's still very good and the price will be awesome. So the Venkanda monogram is very good. We have like scratches on the press button, of course. On the sides, it is used. But it's not broken or any big damage. So as you can see, it's more about the color of the leather, so it's pretty okay. Then we're gonna open. The pressure is a bit less than it used to be, but it still works very well. On the inside, we have 3 major pockets, as you can see, one here, one for coins, and one over there. It's damaged, well, it's not damaged, but you have like scratches and stains inside. You can check on every photo on the website directly, but the price will be amazing. It's 165 euro, so which is very low actually for this kind of wallet, knowing how much it is on sale on the website. I'm gonna put you the price here in euro and also USD, guys. But if you go and connect from the website, you will have every information, every price. If you are from the US, you will be able to pay in USD, of course. Then I'm gonna go for another bag. I'm not gonna wait any longer before I show you this amazing beauty. This is a classic flap and I'm gonna show you right now. This is kind of a vintage one. As you can see, we had the box. We also had the dust bag inside, so I'm very, very excited actually about this because this is such a beauty. As you can see, dust bag also is vintage. And here it is. This is such a nice bag, guys. This is a classic flap, double flap, kind of vintage, but still in a very gorgeous condition. What can I say about this one? This is a black leather one, a very smooth leather. You have gold hardware. It is amazing, actually. This is this is insane. Like the condition of the bag is crazy. I'm gonna remove the chains from the inside, actually, of the bag. Okay, so I can show you better like this, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you the front of the bag. The front of the bag is actually in very good condition. You have some corners rubbed, but very small. Like here, it's a bit more than here, obviously. But for the age of the bag, for a vintage bag, this is absolutely nothing. Here, a little bit also, but for me, it's so tiny. The bottom of the bag is in a very good condition. You have little scratches here, but otherwise very good. Here it's pristine, and the leather is so nice, like how you can touch. The feeling of the touch is amazing on this bag. This type of leather is just insane, especially on vintage one. The only thing about this bag, I would say, more on this one, is more here on the sides. The corner here are more rubbed, especially this one, but it's nothing that much. It can be repairable, of course, and it's not that much. So you can do something about it. Otherwise, the stitchings are amazing, and I want to show you the inside of the bag, which is also in very pristine condition. So we have the first flap here, we have like the logo, well, the Chanel Paris here, we have another pocket here, also here, obviously. we opened the second one. So we have the Chanel logo, the Chanel gold hardware too, and the inside of the, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but the inside of the bag is just insane. This is Bordeaux. The condition is perfect, actually. You don't have stains, scratches, or whatever. We also have the sticker inside. I'm not sure I can fully read it, actually, because this is a vintage one. I'm not sure I can fully read it, but it has a sticker, so it's actually very good. I'm so excited about this bag because this is such a beauty, and we had it available right now for 3,800 euro, which is actually a very good price for a classic Chanel flap, guys, and the condition is very good. I don't know what else to say because this bag is just insane, and it is available right now. If you want, we offer payment plan if you want also, so you can have payment plan with us. You can pay in 3-4 times if you prefer, or 2 times as you want. Actually, you just contact us, you tell us, okay, I would love to pay in I don't know, 3 times if possible, this amount first month, this amount second month, and whatever, and at the end we send you the bag. So it's actually very convenient. Lots of our customers are doing this because they like it, but if you want to pay in once, it's very easy and perfect for us too, because we buy the bags, so it's better if we have more treasury on the account to buy more bags. Then I'm gonna show you another bag I just got, and I'm really excited. This is this amazing Fendi bowling bag. The look of the bag is just crazy, and we love this kind of bag. These bags are so trendy right now. It's half fabric, half dark brown leather, so this is actually very good. The fabric is very good, actually. I have nothing to say. The bag is in actually very good condition. You have some leather parts on the bottom of the bag, perfect condition also. The top handles are very good, and the inside of the bag is fully dark brown leather, which is actually amazing. Usually insides are not in leather, but this one is. We have the Fendi logo here, and we have everything. This is amazing. Like you have like also a very small pocket inside, so it's actually such a useful bag. I'm really impressed, and the price also will be amazing. I really like this type of canvas, actually, this type of fabric, and the price is 279 euro, which is actually a very small price for this kind of bag. I always try to make the perfect prices for you guys, nothing too expensive. And we started not that long ago, so I always try like to please you with the prices. So this one is now available. This is a Fendi bowling bag, and this is a perfect handbag for you. Okay, I'm gonna go for another handbag. Well, this is a very big one. We have the padlock here with the keys. This is a Keepall size 60, guys, canvas monogram from Louis Vuitton, and we love this type of bag. This is a perfect travel bag you can have. Even for you, men, women, any type of age, any type of travel. This is the perfect one. This is the biggest one you can get at Louis Vuitton. This is a size 60, obviously. This one is actually very good. And the price for this one also is amazing. I'm just gonna put the right side of the bag. This bag has a very good price because the condition is good and not very, very excellent, but still very nice. I'm gonna show you why. So we have on the leather parts some folds here, obviously, because you can fold the bags. A bigger stain here, but it's well caramelized. It has a very nice color, like a very vintage color. Also, you have stain on the bottom of the bag, but obviously it's a bag that you drop on the floor, that you use a lot, so obviously it's not gonna be brand new. On the sides of the bag, here on the leather part, it's used, but still in very, very good condition, I must say. Okay, on the other part of the bag, leather has stains and folds at the front of the bag. You have top handled with a more dark color, but obviously it's because you hold the bag like this, so you will have like a more darker color on the handle, but still in very good condition. You have the tag part just here, tag leather part here. Very good, because usually now you need to buy it apart from the bags. They're not giving it to you, you need to buy them, so very good. Anyway, other than this, yeah, as you can see, you can open the bag very easily. And we have the serial number here. Other than that, you can open and close properly the bag. We have a serial number here at the bag. The only thing about this one, I put a blanket inside to give the shape of the bag. But other than that, I don't know if you'll be able to see anywhere. Everything is on the website with the photos. The stitching here, like completely broke. This is not broken, but it detached from the bag. So either you can repair it. I don't think it's useful to repair it because it still holds with the rivet, with the metallic part. So I'm not sure it's like very useful. Anyway, the inside of the bag also is in a very, very good condition. So this is a very nice one. And the price is amazing. It's 540 euro, guys. I'm going to put the price here. And in the end, I want to show you this amazing beauty. This is Chanel accessory SLG. We have the box, we have the dust bag, we have lots of tiny papers from Chanel. I don't know if you mind like the papers or not. And voila, the beauty. This is a long wallet from Chanel in red leather, silver hardware, so this is very nice. The condition is good. You have scratches and stains on the front and the back of the wallet. The corners are a bit rubbed and darker. Obviously, it's a wallet. You know how it is. We have an authenticity card on this one, so this is very nice. And the inside of the wallet is a very, very, very good condition, except for the coin section, which is like dirty. And we have a sticker, like, where is it? It's this side, I believe. Yeah, 22 series for this one. We have the Made in Spain, Chanel. This is the perfect one. And the price for this one is 369 euro, which is actually a very, very, very good price range. So I really advise you, if you want it, to go get it on the website or directly contact me under this video or via Instagram if you prefer. Anyway, thank you for following all this. If you have any questions, just let me know. We drop bags every Wednesday, well, bags and accessories every Wednesday at 6 p.m. on the website. You receive an email, so if you did not subscribe yet to the newsletter, do it right now. Link in the description. Otherwise, the video on YouTube released at 6:30 p.m. It's 6:30 p.m. Paris time. I will try to put like the New York City time, LA time, and maybe other like time zone. But I always speak with Paris time. And we have a live every Wednesday also at 8 p.m. Paris time on TikTok and Instagram. Voilà. Thank you for watching and see you Sunday. Bye bye.